Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It is your boy. It is me, Anthropology 5, aka your host with the most, who does the toast, and also the roast, aka the wolf. And we're back at it again, man, with another Sekiro Shadows Die Twice Let's Play gameplay video, man. If you can't tell, in the background, to my far background, that building you see in the distance, yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is Ashina Castle. Look how far we fucking come, man. Look at how far we have come. Alright, man, without further ado, we're going to get straight into this. Don't forget, at any point in time, you enjoy what you see here, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Everything helps us out immensely. I appreciate it. I love you guys, and hopefully you love me. Even if you don't, I'm still going to do shit. We got a boss. There's a boss. It's a mini-boss, and I hate him. Look at him. He's fucking ugly. This is the Centipede thing, and I hate it. Long-armed Centipede Sen'su. And it's not fair, because not only is it him, but there's also these dudes, and all these dudes throw fire all over the fucking place. So we're gonna do our best. Chill the fuck out! Leave me alone! Heal, nigga, heal! Heal, nigga, heal! Stop! Bitch. Stop it! Fucking fire! Oh, get dodge! Oh, alright, touch it. Yo, he just... Nigga! What? Right, hold up. Get me the fuck out of here so I can heal again. Oh, that was fucking close. Hello? Heal, bitch. Heal, bitch. Where's that last nigga at? Where the last asshole? Hello? It's not a 1v1 right now. There's somebody else here. Nigga, you can just do it again? Like, you don't get tired? Nigga, chill! Nigga, bruh! What is this bullshit? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm already salty. We just started. How in the actual fuck am I supposed to deal with this shit? What the hell? So obviously I'm gonna need this shit, cause goddamn. And maybe it was a mistake ringing that fucking bell. Maybe some of this and some of red ripe permission ready to eat for a time allows one to recover posture even when attacking or taking damage. Okay, so that for fucking definite. Maybe a little bit of that, because that also helps my posture. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, this. Some dousing powder. Keep my ass from catching on fire. Alright, man, let's do this. Just gonna run straight through all this shit. Fuck you. Which way am I going? Which way? Yeet, nigga. Haha. Get them ankles broke, boy. Fuck this little rat, nigga. Yeah, I see you, bitch. Fuck you, though. Alright. So before we get into this crazy shit, let's do this. Do some of that. Nice. Okay. Buffed up, bruh. What's good, bitch? Oh, fuck me. Wait, so can I just, like, jump attack his ass every time? Nope. It's only the first go, apparently. And I fucked it up. Deflect, deflect. What? I'll parry all of your shit, dude. Ow, 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 ow. I'm sorry. I don't like this fucking thing. Yo, fuck these monks, bro. Fuck these monks and their ascension to immortality. You're a bunch of bitches, and that's why you look like shit. Your nasty ass. Nasty ass bitch. And he goes fucking ham, so I use that. And then bow. And then I can bow, bow, bow. And and then I'm on fire. Why am I on fire? Ow, ow, ow. Stop it, please. Yo, what the fuck is this thing? What is this fucking thing? Oh man, dude, my unseen A. Holy shit. Oh my god. What skills? If I want to buy this, I'm gonna have to buy all of this shit. Oh wait, no. I already bought that. So all I gotta do is buy that now. Get some vitality? Alright, man. Alright, man. I'm gonna give this one more fucking go. And if I don't do this shit right now, I'm done. I'm done. For now. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the long arm centipede. Which way am I going? Haha, psych, bitch. Fuck out of here with that. Alright, hold on. Let me do all this shit first. Bop. Bop. Jump into this bitch. Go here. And then immediately jump on your bitch ass. Fucking cunt. You go crazy, because you're absolute fucking dog shit. Bow, bow. Okay, so you just instantly get your shit back. So posture don't exist to you then, apparently. Get me the fuck out of here. Get me the H-E double duck. I don't like this boss. And it's not helping that I rung the bell. So, like, now it's twice as hard as what it normally would have been. Stop touching me with the flames. Oh shit. Can I jump? Okay. I have a plan. Bop, 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 bop. And I missed it. Somebody fucking kill me. What the fuck is going on? Why are you so fucking hard, you disgusting creature? God. Alright, so you die first. Bop, 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 bop. You go fucking ham. Oh. Nigga, like what? Did I get stuck on a dead nigga? What the fuck? Hey, can I have that item though? Hey, bitch, back up. I just want the items. Give it. This is all trash. No, leave me alone. Why are you hugging the wall? Run! Oh, you. I got another one. Alright, bitch. Do this again. What's up? What's good? Hold on. Let me kill your friend real fast. Where you at, bitch? Where you at? Bring that ass. Bring that ass. Where you going? Stop running. Don't you do all that fancy unfair shit. You can't run like a bitch. Bop. Literally nothing. Okay. Oh shit. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Run! Ah! What the fuck was that? Okay. Eat it. Eat it! Now. Yeah. Okay, can't throw this high thing up. Ow, ow. Nigga, how? Alright, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you another fucking wall I have to fucking break down. The long-armed motherfucking centipede is gonna be haunting me in my fucking nightmares. So, with that being said, I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead before your boy, that's me, Anthropology, aka the Wolf, is gonna go ahead and call it a peace out before he gets salty and starts to rage. Cause I don't want y'all to see me rage, you feel me? And I'm sure you don't want to see me rage, but you probably might. But we're not gonna do that here, not right now. Maybe on a different pod. Without further ado, man, don't forget any point in time you enjoy what you see here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm your boy Anthro, aka the Wolf, and I'm fucking gone. Peace.